Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying compatibility and network access. First, confirm your Roborock model supports Homekit or that you'll use Homebridge/Hoobs as a bridge. Next, make sure your iPhone or iPad is on the same too. 4 GHz Wi-Fi and updated to the latest iOS. This prevents pairing failures. Open the Roborock app, sign into your account, and connect the vacuum to Wi-Fi. Once done, locate the device ID and IP address in the app. These are required for the next setup step. Now you'll install and configure the bridge. If using Homebridge or Hoobs, deploy it on a Raspberry Pi, Synology, or PC, then install the official Roborock or Xiaomi plugin. In the plugin settings, enter the vacuum's device ID, local IP, and token. Get the token via the app backup or a token extractor. Restart the bridge and watch the logs to ensure the plugin finds your robot. Once the accessory appears, copy the Homekit code generated by the bridge to prepare for adding it. Finish by adding the bridge to Homekit. Open the Home app, tap the plus button, choose Add Accessory, and either scan the bridge code or enter it manually. Then assign a room and a recognizable name. Test commands like start, stop, and battery status to confirm functionality. If the robot fails to appear or commands don't work, make sure firewall or router isolation isn't blocking the bridge. Confirm the token and IP are correct, and reboot the bridge, router, and vacuum before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.